Welcome to 10-minute Bedtime Yoga Stretch. I'm Uliana if you are new here, and this is a short, gentle yoga practice to prepare your body for sleep. Let's begin in comfortable seated position. Ground your sit bones down, straighten your spine, and slowly drop your chin down to your chest so that you feel the stretch on the back of the neck. Slowly circle your chin to the right, bringing it parallel to the right shoulder, so that you feel a nice stretch on the side of the neck. Breathe here. Slowly circle your chin down and then to the left side. Stretching the other side of the neck. Slowly circle your chin back down and then lift your head. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder. Try to keep your left shoulder down and move your chin a little bit up and down or side to side to find that nice side neck stretch. Bring your head back to center and lower your left ear to your left shoulder. Right shoulder stays down. Breathe here, enjoy a nice side neck stretch. Slowly bring your head back to center. Now interlace your fingers so that the palms are facing away from you. With inhale, reach your arms up, palms facing up to the ceiling. You can also keep your hands open if your shoulders are tight. Keep your sit bones grounded and stretch through the sides of your body as you breathe. Take one more big inhale. Exhale, bring your hands forward, round the back, drop your chin down to your chest. Keep pulling your hands away from you, creating the stretch in the upper back. Inhale to lift your arms up. Exhale and release. Roll your shoulders a couple of times. Big circles. Then place your palms behind you with fingers facing forward. Inhale, lift your chest higher, so that you feel the stretch on the front of your shoulders and chest. See if you need to move your hands a little bit further away to feel that stretch. Keep lifting your chest a little higher with each inhale. One last time, inhale here and exhale, release. Straighten your left leg, Flex the foot so that the toes are pointing up to the ceiling. Place your right foot closer to your thigh, right hand behind for support. Hug your right knee with the opposite hand and gently twist to the right. Keep lengthening the spine with each inhale and twisting a little bit more as you exhale. On your next inhale, come back to center. Lower down your right knee, place your right foot closer to your left inner thigh. Turn your torso to your straight leg. With inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend forward to your extended leg. Hands can stay on the floor or grab your shin, ankle, foot. Maybe even drop your head. Let your body relax here. With your next inhale, lift your head, straighten the right leg, bend your left knee, left hand behind for support. With inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist to the left. On your next inhale, come back to center and lower down your left knee. Turn your upper body to the right leg. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, bend forward. Find the position where you feel a gentle stretch on the back body and breathe there. With inhale, come up to seated and lay down on your back. Keep your knees bent, place your feet around hip distance apart. Press down through your feet and with inhale, lift your hips up for bridge pose. Maybe interlace your fingers behind your back if that feels good. Stay in here for a couple of breaths. Last time, inhale, lift your hips a little higher. And exhale, release. Bring your knees closer to your chest, hug your shins, and rock side to side, massaging the lower back. Now lift your head, bring your forehead to your knees. Take a big inhale. And exhale, release. Extend your arms and legs in savasana. Palms facing up. Feet drop out to the sides. Relax your face, your shoulders, arms and hands. Relax your legs and feet. Let your body become heavier. Feel free to stay here for as long as you would like before coming up. Good night and see you next time.